Hello everyone, well we've got below normal temperatures and rain to talk about, so let's get to all the details in your Monday forecast presented by Madison Gas and Electric. Morning hours completely dry, partly cloudy skies, but I do expect the cloud cover to thicken up for the afternoon and possibly as early as about 1 o'clock this afternoon we might start to see 1 or 2 showers above it, but I do think most are still going to be dry at 1 o'clock. A little bit better chance in the late afternoon, but notice still not much going on. So there is a chance of rain this afternoon, but I do think more are going to be staying dry and seeing rain, but I want to mention the chance. Now, improvement in temperatures over yesterday, which was a remarkably cool day for mid-June. However, these temperatures also still below normal, so we should be averaging highs in the upper 70s. Instead, it looks like a lot of us may only top out in the upper 60s or low 70s. So still below normal, but not as cool as yesterday was. The other thing worth noting, though, is it is going to be a breezy day, gusts around 20 miles per hour, which will make it feel a little bit cooler. Now, I do expect an uptick in the rain as we get into the evening hours. Now notice there are still gaps at 7 o'clock, but notice a little bit more showing up. And I do want to say that for the afternoon and evening hours, it's mostly going to be showers, but could 1 or 2 thunderstorms pop up as indicated by those shades of orange you're seeing? Yeah, it's a possibility, but it's more likely going to be showers. And notice though there is an uptick during the early evening hours, it still doesn't look that wet. I actually think the best chance of rain is going to be very late tonight and for tomorrow morning. Latest models are saying that the peak may end up being during the overnight hours, but check out the morning commute tomorrow. We're looking at 7 a.m. And at this point, talking about scattered showers. So once again, there are gaps. Some may get lucky for the morning commute, but I definitely want to mention the chance of rain for the morning commute tomorrow, unlike today. And for tomorrow, it does look like the best chance of rain is going to be during the morning hours. Notice at 11 a.m. starting to back off, so it's looking like the better chance of rain is going to be in the early morning hours, but still an opportunity there in the late morning as well. And because we're going to be starting with so much cloud cover tomorrow morning and the rain, it is looking like tomorrow is going to be a cooler day than today. We're cooling back down because of the morning rain and morning clouds, not starting out with the partly cloudy skies. Look at temperatures for tomorrow in the afternoon. So we're talking about mainly mid to upper 60s for highs. Maybe some getting stuck in the low 60s if you get some rain that lingers into the afternoon. And low 70s, the best chance of that is going to be the most western part of the area. But I do think the mid to upper 60s are going to be more common. So a little bit cooler than today. And another breezy day tomorrow. In fact, probably a little bit breezier than today. I bet we'll be seeing gusts around 25 miles per hour. And I do need to keep the rain chance going into the afternoon hours and yes, even into the evening hours. Check out 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. That said, I do think this will probably be the last wave during the evening hours tomorrow. We'll probably dry out overnight. And then looking ahead to Wednesday, I've got to keep in a very small chance of rain, but I do think most are going to stay dry. And the other thing that's going to happen on Wednesday, because there's going to be more sun around and the winds are going to die down, it's going to be back to a day with not much wind. It looks like our temperatures are going to go back to normal for this time of year.